All right, I'm going to show you guys how you can check your car alternator. The alternator is kind of like your car's lifeline. It charges the battery while you drive and powers all your electrical systems. So if it's not working, your battery is going to drain fast, and you might notice that you dim headlights, your battery might be dying, struggling to start, or strange electrical glitches. And some vehicles will actually have like your little battery warning signal will turn on as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to test the battery. So with the car off, using a multimeter, which is a great tool you should have if you don't have one already. They're like awesome. They're not expensive, and you use them for testing all sorts of stuff around your house, appliances, and all sorts of stuff. But anyways, a healthy battery should have, around 12 volts, give or take a little bit. And then when you start the car, it should jump to 13 and a half, maybe 14. And that shows that the alternator is charging the battery. But if when you start the car, the number doesn't go up, that means that the alternator isn't charging the battery while it's running. So another thing is that if you check it and you have no charge coming in from the battery, then you want to check the alternator directly just to make sure that that's not an issue in between the alternator and the battery. So what you can do is you're going to place the multimeter probes directly on the alternator's output terminal and then onto a ground source. So that could be, the negative battery terminal or, any bare grounded metal on the vehicle. And if you're still not getting, at least 13 and a half or so, your alternator is, probably busted and might be a problem. Now, generally speaking, they're pretty easy to change yourself, and I'm going to be doing that on this vehicle, but I'll put that in another vehicle. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.